Hey guys, Jim Reitzel here, Food Plot Pro Shop, Reitzel Ag Equipment. I just wanted to, kind of put it out there. A lot of people go to our website, foodplotproshop.com, looking for answers. We've tried to build that thing to be a knowledge first, sales second website. On that website, there's calculators. You can calculate how much seed you need, how much fertilizer you need to amend the soil. You can upload your soil samples. It'll help you out with that, give you some guidance. We have a cool tool you can actually match the drill or implement to your tractor. You go in there and there's drop downs to select your tractor model. But most importantly, I wanted to get a face and just kind of some personal, information on the behind the scenes inner working of foodplotproshop.com. About 2 years ago, Joe Jones and I got our heads together and thought, well, if we could get a hold of Don Higgins and Terry Peer and get a dealership set up with Angola Seed and Supply, who I've worked with for over the last 20 years. He's right here in the tri-state area, does a lot of food plot seed supply, fertilizer, commercial seed supply for schools and governmental agencies. There's no better people to partner with than people that are actually really good in their field. So Joe knows seed, Joe knows quality. That's how we got involved with Real World Outdoor Products. It started several years ago. We manufacture the Extreme Blower Spreader XD. This is an attachment you can put on a leaf blower and spread any kind of food plot seed or fertilizer. That's how I got hooked up with Don and Terry. They've used it, talked about it. Through those years, we've evolved into more of a food plot supply and knowledge center for our clients. So, I thought nothing better than to, try and help out Don and Terry and sell the best seed on the market. Here's some information. We got all different kinds of Real World Outdoor products. We've got the Greenscape drill sitting here, which we sell. We've got the Tar River drills that we sell. I'm gonna let Joe talk a little bit and introduce himself, kind of tell you what he does. This is kind of just a candid conversation, so please put some questions in the chat or anything behind, leave comments on our website or on our videos. But Joe, you want to tell them what all you do here?
Sure. Yep, Joe Jones with Angola Seed and Supply. I've been doing this close to 20 years. We do the real world. We do some of our other specialty blends as well. We do grass seed, fertilizer, ag grade fertilizer for food plots like 4600, 1212, 0060, just different ones. It's just not the straight 1212. We also do some like 2503 with ammonium sulfate, things like that. But mainly it's the food plot stuff's that's one of our specialties. And like Jimmy said, we've been doing this for quite a while. I've met you quite a while before this, maybe 15, 20 years, but he sent a lot of people my way. Same thing, I try to send people his way. So just working on a good partnership. So yes, ask questions. Anything you have, we'll do our best to answer. If I can't answer it, I've got somebody in this business that can get you the correct, what you need, what you're looking for. So.
And another thing too, if you have any more questions or you want more information, like I said, you can go to foodplotproshop.com. Again, that's foodplotproshop.com. And then you can actually build out a bill of materials and you can request a quote. We get that over to Angola Seed and Supply, and then they get a hold of you and they can get you your product. So it's kind of cool. If you want to go to their website directly, you can. It's angolaseed.com. Again, angolaseed.com. And thanks for your time, guys.
Thank you.